Today video I'm going to start very important and powerful feature of Angular, that is pipe. I will make 3 videos on this. I will start from basic, and then in next video I will make a demo with advanced pipes, and then after that I will make a video on custom pipes. First of all, let me explain you again that in Angular pipes are a powerful feature that allows you to transform data directly in your template. They can be used to format data, change its display, or apply custom logic to it. There are a number of types of pipes like built-in pipes, chaining pipes, custom pipes, parameterizing pipes, pure and impure pipes. But in today's video I will just first explain you that what is built-in pipes. So let's jump into that and see the practical example of this. So for this, let's start from here. That you can see that the title is already defined. So for title I'm going to apply the built-in pipe. So what is built-in pipe? For instance, one is let's make it to uppercase. So we will see that whether it's working or not. So this is very interesting. So you can see here that the pipes demo, the pipe is just transform the data to the uppercase. So you can do the same thing with others, like you can try the lowercase as well here. So you can see here that it will work for you as well, that by just using the uppercase you can do it. This is a built-in pipe. So you can also try the date as well. For instance, for date you can just define for instance, today is new date, and just display this date here. And by displaying the date you can see here that today, for today, just display the today here and see the results. Then after this I will apply the date, right? And then we'll see that, okay, you can see here that I apply the date on that. After applying the date, it's come up with August 15 2024. So now let's, if I want that this date should be full, so for that what I can do, I can just use this one keyword. So by using this you can see here that it's come up with the date as well. So this was another thing. In the built-in pipes we have currency as well, and the JSON. You can also use that one for currency. For instance, let me explain you that for currency, let me define some value currency. For instance, I'm defining 1500. So let me display it as a currency here. So for currency, let me do this value currency, and just remove this and then see whether it's working or not. So we will see it here. You can see that $1500 by default it will set as a USD. So you can change the currency by using that. For instance, you can use the whatever the currency you want, for instance rupees. So you can define it. You can see it here that it come up with the 1500 rupees. So this is a very powerful feature of the pipes. In next video I will explain you the advanced pipes, and then we will see the make custom pipes. But for now, what could be an interview question here, that can we achieve the same thing without the pipes? Yes, we can achieve the same thing with the without the pipes. For instance, as I explained you that if I'm just using the pipe by setting this to the uppercase, you can make some sort of function, like function. You can, in that you can just define you have to define a function in .ts file, and then after that you can define some sort of function like cap string. It could be like this, and this you can just return the item dot to uppercase, right? So the same thing you can achieve it by use this one. Like you can achieve it, let me show you this. Here you can achieve this cap string title, right? So you can see it here, cap string. Okay, it's come up with this. So how we can call it? I think I forget to use the interpolating here. Yes, I remove it intentionally. I not save this one. pipe step. You can see here that it's we can also achieve it by using some sort of function in TS file. So this is a thing, but it is highly recommended that you should go with the pipes as well in order to expedite your development procedure. So I hope that you guys able to understand this basic pipe stuff. So stay tuned with my channel. Please keep connected with this channel and keep grow yourself. Thank you for watching this video.